Pleasant good morning to respected principal, ma'am, teacher, and all my dear schoolmates. Today I, Himanshu Jain,
and I, Pari Ragwal,
from class 10th A, are going to conduct today's assembly activities.
First of all, I would like to call Andra for today's thought. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am here to deliver the thought of the day. The thought is success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. I repeat my thought. Success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Om to deliver today's news headline.
Morning everyone. Today I am Om from class 10th A, going to tell some news headlines that are some political news. BJP pins hope on colon tiger champite and poll dot in key Jharkhand region. India inks rupees 837 crore deal for 73k more as assault rifles amid tension with China. Some sport news data. Jai Shah elected unopposed as next ICC chairman. Events outlast Khachanov in longest ever US Open match. WI swept T20 series 3-2 with 8-wicket victory over South Africa. Some business news. HUL gets rupees 1000 crore notice over TDS dispute in GSK deal. International education loans nota bar to tax relief for Tata firm. Thank you.
Thank you. Now at the last, I would like to call Lumna for today's word of the day. Everyone, the word of the day is extol. Extol meaning in Hindi is prashansa karna. The word extol used in a sentence is he extols the virtues of the Russian people. I repeat the sentence. He extols the virtues of the Russian people. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Lumna.
Now this is the end of our assembly activities. Thank
you everyone for listening
to
this
us patiently.